Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Very important part YouTube TrueView ads. YouTube TrueView ads. I have some details and YouTube TrueView ads. This video action campaign and advertising format. There are three-step details lecture these videos. And the first time YouTube viewers. YouTube in the worldwide largest video streaming service with over the 3 billion monthly views then exchange the platform on reaching customer. However, again the targeted on YouTube can take in some work. The post on excellent YouTube true view ads and the who make mind and consider use them. True view ads on several benefits of advertising. They hold made to targeted specific audience based on instinct, demography, and viewers. They provide better tracking, data composition, standard ad that help increase conversion, create style, don't suffer views and experience. Since true view ad in embeds into the user original video streaming, they can be sold replical without analyzed views. Friends, what is the video action campaign? If you look up TrueView ad recent, you might have seen in the top of Google Ads. Google Ads. If you are bring earning your business, we can block content con no just over our client to the peak topics, linkings and same. As we well know, Google can't leaving anything alone. They consider need to increase to change theme, listen to how we live and they how used to valuable they are, how much investment people have in them, ads on expectation and YouTube. YouTube will do anything in power and square out every bit then can get from YouTube advertising. Seen there are primary sector. YouTube advertising. How much YouTube advertising seen their primary sector funnel? Google has delayed upgrading TrueView ads onto part of more extent video action campaign system. For now, TrueView ads still exist, include Huawei be trained on just mind in video campaign won't have their forecast action. Google lovers bring here with deception level advertising product. Google going to make the change. TrueView campaign have been auto updated and video action campaign as of watch change the difference while TrueView ads only one is capable estimate video ads on YouTube video player. TrueView ad only allow scalable estimate video ad on the YouTube video player. Before, during, after the video action ads always skippable and in-phase video ads as part of one new campaign. You could always action both kind of ads, but you had used delay TrueView in-phase campaign to do this, which was lot more buyers work. TrueView had only shows on YouTube watch page and specific Google Planner page. Video action ad will display is more place, including video embedded on other website and this YouTube homepage. The assets are the limited to Trueview ads because they view ads. People are reading text about the video's content they are watching you. With video action ad, scene they can display as in feed as you go that type. Show display inside homepage. So overall, it showed up kind their relative mind changed how Google Ads for video forecast on the back end. It just tried to combine eFeed and TrueView ads into one's campaign product, giving our more flexible and more accent for value add on your people on page. Video action as have extend their hard-earned win. If you can approach in this new system right now, Google Ads also given you copy and paste tools, copy ads between campaign so that you can copy ads from your TrueView campaign into video action campaign. Converting TrueView the video action campaign. If you want great system with video action campaign before Google make you do this. Log in with Google Ads. One homepage discover click campaign. Click on filters, funnel and types. There are click box, easy keyboard, choose video advertising format. Video advertising format. Advertising format. You might word speak and unspeakable ad and better unescapable and how the audience captions so views have watch ad. Those relative improper then I put down. The advertising formats. Number 1 escapable instant. This is just another format for views, TrueViews ad. Number 2, no escapable instant ad. There is smaller per rule ad but can Oxmine was and million 50 second limit 50 second because that type of also CPM. There are change regulars of word and click. In page ad. See about an YouTube discovery ad. Google ads will see AdWords. Bumper ads. There are skippable ads. How to categorize limit 6 second learn CPM bid can appear more place. Out-steam ads mobile on by out-steam ad. Difference with sound of button autoplay. They are used in Steam, video ad, banner ad, and native ad. Mustard ad. Mustard ad. They are similar out Steam ad but can appear on mobile, desktop, and even smart TVs. They are unique, powerful ad type. There's an always reasons and another in business how to have a Google sales representative. Overall layers. There are small ad count with 20% videos and competence ad. Sures that the 30 seconds after a published Google will develop some new way to change that, make the out. I will be, but will do my best to keep top of change. Trueview ads action change in March. Payroll ads. Part of this non-scalable streaming ad will stay part over advertising stable. Thank you. Best of luck. The